Imagine being able to completely sit down and enjoy pizza. Imagine that you could be literally embracing, savoring every single bite of that pizza and know full well that you are actually fighting cravings in the process.
Beautiful. So pretty.
You see, I'm not talking about just filling yourself up and causing some kind of cheat meal response. Not at all. You see, with cauliflower foods, I'm talking about utilizing pizza that stimulates ketones in the body. So I'm talking about utilizing a ketogenic diet to scientifically fight cravings. See, there was a study that was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition that found that cholecystokinin, also known as CCK, which is the satiety hormone, the hormone that's secreted whenever we're full, actually elevates when we're on a ketogenic diet. It means that when you're following any kind of low-carb, higher-fat lifestyle, you have a higher likelihood of being able to fight cravings. It means that your CCK levels can elevate quicker, meaning that you're going to be able to stay full longer and have less likelihood of going back to the well for those cravings that aren't so good. Well, additionally, there was a study that was published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition that found that the hunger hormone known as ghrelin actually decreased when on the ketogenic diet. You see, with this study, what they did is they had test subjects go on a ketogenic diet for 8 weeks, and they found that their ghrelin levels dramatically suppressed. And then they had them go on a regular diet for a couple of weeks, and they found that their ghrelin levels came back to normal. What this told us is that when you followed a low-carb, high-fat lifestyle, that you could actually suppress your hunger hormones so that you, again, don't crave the foods that you normally would crave. But guess what? You can still enjoy good food, and that's exactly where cauliflower foods comes in, utilizing state-of-the-art science to create a cauliflower crust that allows you to not only make pizza, but make paninis, make burritos, salad toppings, whatever, you name it. Because a lot of times when you're on that ketogenic diet, the thing you miss the most is your bread and your crunch. So make sure you click on the link below to learn a little bit more about how cauliflower foods can pave the way for your low-carb lifestyle or just for your healthy lifestyle in general. I'll see you on the next page.